Well, good Wednesday afternoon. Hopefully, you've had some time to spend outside today. It's been another nice one, crazy warm pattern that we've been in really since the beginning of the week, and we got close to record highs again today in Springfield. 79 was today's high. The record high 81 set back in 2006. And once again in the Raleigh Vichy area, we did set another record high today. This is the second day in a row to do that. 81 beating the old record of 80 set back in 1954. I think the reason why we didn't quite make it to 80 in Springfield is we did see a wave of high cloudiness spread in from the southwest. You can see that cloud cover kind of spreading in from southwest to northeast. It will not mean much in terms of rain chances, but it is kind of just ahead of a storm system which is located here in Texas. You can see that as I kind of mark that out. We'll take that off, but that storm, again, located right about here to the west of the Dallas area. You can see that little comma shape right there. There's another storm, more important storm, that's located just off the west coast. That will impact the area once we get to Friday. That's the bigger storm of the two. This lead storm will generate a risk for a few severe storms off to our south. I don't expect anything severe locally for us. What we will find is spotty showers and thunderstorms developing pretty close to some upper level energy associated with that storm system that's going to graze areas to our south, northern Arkansas and south central and southeast Missouri. That's where we have a chance for showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight. A few of those storms will certainly be able to produce heavy rainfall, frequent lightning strikes, and maybe some small hail in the strongest storms. Tomorrow, though, looks beautiful. Mostly sunny skies. And yes, we're once again chasing record highs. Lows tonight only in the 50s. Highs tomorrow, I think everybody tops 80 degrees or at least hits 80 degrees. Looks like about 82 for a high in Springfield, which would tie the record high. 83 in Joplin, which would tie the record high. And I think we could tie the record high again in the Raleigh Vichy area at 81. Now, getting to Friday's storm, Storm Prediction Center has outlined a big, broad area with severe weather risk from Iowa south into the deep south. I think with this storm, there's going to be a tornado potential. I think that tornado potential is going to be just east of the Ozarks, really east of Highway 63, stretching from Iowa south across eastern Missouri, Illinois, western Kentucky, western Tennessee, northeast Arkansas, south into northern Mississippi. Locally for us, it looks like the timing for any severe weather would be from 2 o'clock to 9 o'clock, with things pushing off to the east by 9 o'clock. Coverage for severe storms would be mainly east of Highway 65, and I think this is mainly going to be a wind and hail event. If we see any tornado activity, I think it would be generally near or east of Highway 63, where there's going to be a bit better low-level moisture. I think that's one of the big limiting factors is the low-level moisture with this storm system. This is what it'll look like as we take you hour by hour. Again, you can see storms firing up, lined up along Highway 65 near 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. They will quickly push off to the northeast, the individual cells. The line itself will be stretching along Highway 63 near 7, and then by 9 o'clock, it looks like that line is beginning to shift east out of our area with quieter weather following. Now, the other story on Friday is going to be the wind. Winds are going to howl throughout the day. I think the peak gusts are going to occur sometime, say, mid to late afternoon. That's when a broad area could have gusts of 50 miles per hour or greater. And this is a storm that could generate wind gusts approaching 60 miles per hour. But you can see it will be windy throughout the day with the strongest wind speeds from, say, about noon through early evening on Friday. It will be warm again on Friday with highs up near 79. Following Friday's warmth, which will fall just short of record highs, we will get back to more typical weather for March with highs in the low 60s on Saturday and in the mid 50s on Sunday. That is the very latest on the prospects of warmth, wind, and storms throughout the rest of this week.